this case, you say show my view because you want to be helped. And then I get your incoming call on this. You take accept. Now, first thing we're going to do is mute because there's a lot of feedback going on here. Now you tap. I see a gray screen so far. You have to explicitly say I'd like to share my video now. Now see your video. Now do this motion and back in. Perfect. All right. So what seems to be the problem?
It's broken.
All right. Let's look at the dial. Can you look at this thing?
Yeah.
And I think really the dial should go a little bit a notch to a notch this way. And you can draw on the screen as well. And whatever you'd like to draw. And it will actually recognize the scene even if it's outside. It tells you where to go back to, right? It can lose tracking eventually if you keep going this way. Then it tells you, hey, I don't know where I am anymore, come back here. And then the other thing I can do is I can actually pause my screen. So even if you lose tracking now, if you point it over there again, I still have this dial here. And I'm going to draw something new here. And as soon as you come back to this, you're going to see my annotation here. You can try to see how well this tracking works. If you just push it a little further. Can you walk slowly around on this side, but stay on that? And now why don't you back up very slowly? Don't run into anybody, but keep looking at that, and we'll see how far I can run.
I try a lot of it.
Since I circled a little number for you, can you find it? There you go. That's how precisely we can track it. That's it. That's the idea. Water sprinkler all fixed.
All right. I think everything's good.
Thank you. Why don't you check our